Hi friends and good morning to you all. I hope you had a good profitable day yesterday. Uh, if you remember our YouTube video, the previous on the which we had shared basically the views we had shared for yesterday, we clearly mentioned Nifty. This is the uh, 18,300 or 17,700. Where are we heading? We clearly mentioned Nifty will test 18,000. Uh, and if you see, market did touch 18,000 and then came down. In fact, we had also mentioned to our subscribers that gut feeling Monday something big is coming. And we also mentioned in other groups, I'm feeling big down next week. And no charts. This was view without looking at the charts. These were the trades which we had shared. Uh, Colpal, UPL, and HDFC, Vedant, Ramco, we had shared both sides and both in fact triggered. And the call 41,200, this never triggered until the end of the day. 344, we mentioned above 344 buy, which never triggered. And this was the Fin 50 level, C and P. This I think the put went to 95 points. And 41 100 put, once it moved above 362, it definitely touched 540 and in fact 550 also, sorry, 595 also. So this is how the market moved. And HDFC Bank, we also shared one put which high was around 21, our buy was 11, and then this went 121. HDFC Bank, though we had shared a CE, we told to avoid. And if bought, we told them to trail sell. And this definitely who are bought had a slight loss. Vedanta, we shared another trade 4.5, which made 6 point, I think 6.8 or so. So what's my view for today? Market today, I please also understand this is just an uh, what you can say uh, expectation or the charts observations which we share, and not necessarily you should trade. We do however, if you see, we are sharing trade levels. When it comes to bank nifty, we are sharing, yesterday we had shared, today we are also sharing the which side to which CE strike and what else, and how to buy also. Let's look at the open interest. Open interest in Nifty, there are huge call writers at 17,900 and 18,000. So market, uh, if only there is a big short covering rally, possibilities that these levels can be taken by end of expiry. Uh, However, we also see most of the puts have been exited at these levels, which were golden. And there is the addition of both mostly call writers at 17,800, and also there are additions of put writers at 17,800. But 17,800, most of the put have reduced. So again, market, there is a possibility that there could be market to go down up to 17,700, where there is addition of 7. So we can, one, there is a possibility that market can trap by moving up here to 17,900. There is a possibility that they could add more call writings and then move down. So anything is possible in this market. Uh, uh, it all depends on how the operators want to take. Uh, for me, this is a very, uh, I wouldn't say this is a support, this is a trend line. And what we, as I mentioned, the market will definitely head towards 17,700. If you see my previous video, we mentioned either 18,300 or 17,700, and this is the first target we are looking at. Of course, there is a possibility of short covering which can come sooner or later. depending on how market can behave. So let us see if the short covering rally can happen today or in the coming days. If I look at the charts, primarily I still see uh, more down coming, and we could even see 17,700 as I mentioned. Uh, if this 17,700, 17,730 is not held, then we are heading towards 17,625 or even lower. So be cautious when it comes to Nifty and I mean index value. Today is the expiry of FinNifty. I think this was yesterday. So let me share Nifty levels for today also. However, being expiry, I'm slightly cautious on that front. So by 17,250 PE above 155, SL will be around 130, targets would be 190 to 220 also. And on the call side, also I would look at better to look at 250 CE. Once this moves above 250, let's look at 17,300. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sharing. This is not of this expiry is of. Let me share the expiry of current. Also, give me one moment. So FinNifty 17,300 port currently is traded at or 18,400. Yes, let's look at 18,400 port. So I'll share this on the live market. I have a couple of stocks on the long side. Apollo, L&T, M&M, Dabur seems to be bullish. Uh, let's look at Infosys. If this 1590 can move above 100 and 120, 135. On the equity, 1597 looks good for a buy. ABFRL, I'm looking to short 255 above 2.1 or 2.5. Then we can look at 3.5. And equity front, look at 2.256. DLF also looks good to short. I think we can expect 357 or stop loss can be 365. HDFC Life slightly risky, but yes, looks good to short again. We can expect 495 levels. Keep a stop loss of 508. So thank you all for your time and for your love and affection. And I hope our channel has been. If you have any queries, please do come and you can always come back with queries. We will definitely help you. Uh, This is our Telegram channel. A couple of screenshots we got and we shared. We had HDFC call, as I said, some profit in Nifty we had shared, and these are the profits which were done by our subscribers. So please do subscribe